It's very exciting. The overnight ferry to Shikoku. Oh, look at this fish frenzy. So good morning from Kitakyushu. We spent the night at the youth hostel because we could not find anywhere else that was affordable. But it was fine. We both had to have a top bed because we only stayed one night. And as we were changing my tire yesterday because I had a small puncture, I found out I've got 3 broken spokes. So we found this bike shop just around the corner, which was fortunate. It doesn't open till 12 today. So we're just gonna go find a bite to eat and then come back to the bike shop because our ferry to Shikoku doesn't leave till later on tonight actually. So we've got a day to fill in, but yeah, very fortunate that this bike shop's gonna be open today. So let's go. So my spokes are all fixed. It was a really quick process, about 30 minutes. And yeah, she's already good to go.
A lot quicker than if I had tried. Yes. I would have had grease from top, head to toe.
Yes, he definitely knew what he was doing, and he was doing it very quickly.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this fish frenzy.
Hanging their mouth up in the air hoping to catch something, I think.
There's one orange one, a couple of silvery ones. Oh, I think you can see them in the GoPro.
These big ones here are a different type than the other ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, eyes are on the side of their head.
I've got mine.
Plus the turtle.
Oh, and a turtle, yeah. How cool is that?
.30 and we've got the bikes all tagged up with our little vehicle boarding pass, all ready to go over to Shikoku or Matsuyama.
It's very exciting. The overnight ferry to Shikoku.
Okay. We didn't get to go home yet. Okay. Okay.
flights of steep stairs with our luggage.
That's my fault.
Let's go up and down, up and down, up and down. So now we're getting to our bunk room. And this is us here on the left. Number 1. Crichton's number 3. It mustn't be very full because they've skipped a few numbers, which is good. So yes, this is home for tonight. And I guess last night's sleeping quarters were a little bit of an introduction to sharing, staying in the hostel. It's air conditioned, so I mean that is that's pretty nice.
And we have a window seat.
We have a,
Did you tell them about the 4 flights of stairs we had to walk up?
yes, steep stairs. Oh look, we have a room with a view, even though it's dark. But at least room with a view. So yeah, I think we leave here at 5:10, and then we arrive at 5 o'clock in the morning. So good night. Set up my bed. We've made our beds. And the mattress is pretty thin, but see how we go with my European hips.